The chronograph can measure elapsed time, up to 4 hours. Press the top pusher to start the chronograph. The fourth center hand will begin moving in 1/5 of a second increments. The upper subdial measures total elapsed time in hours with 10-minute indicators. The lower subdial indicates elapsed minutes and flies back every 10. To pause the chronograph, press the top pusher. Then, press it again to resume. To reset, press the bottom pusher while the chronograph is stopped. To measure laps while the chronograph is running, press the bottom pusher to begin the next lap. You do not have to wait for the hands to reset. Time is kept internally until the hands catch up. To read the chronograph, just look at the fourth center hand and 2 subdials. Here, the chronograph reads 2 hours, 25 minutes, and 10 2/5 seconds.
Once you've set up your Global Trainer watch, you're ready to train. GPS technology is meant to work outdoors. Press and hold the power button to turn the Global Trainer on. The Timex Ironman logo appears on the display, and the watch will immediately begin searching to acquire a GPS signal. This may take several minutes the first time you use the watch, but less than 90 seconds for subsequent startups. With GPS signal acquired, press the Mode button until you see Performance. The most recently viewed screen appears. I've chosen 4 panes for my display: distance, pace, time split, and heart rate. Remember, you can customize each view and choose from over 40 pieces of data to show in each display. When I'm ready to run, I press the Start button. The Global Trainer begins its live update of my run, telling me how far, how fast, and how long I've gone. One of the great features allows you to set the watch to take hands-free splits based on distance or time intervals. For example, you could preset the watch to take splits every mile with an audible confirmation. The Timex Global Trainer also has a pace alert so you know if you're running too fast or too slow. All of these features help keep you on track to meet your goals. As I finish my workout, I press the stop button to stop the chronograph. I can press and hold the stop button to save the session into memory, or simply reset the chrono without saving. The Global Trainer will store up to 20 workouts. To see your workout, select the review mode and choose the desired workout by date and time. You can view a summary or see breakouts by lap. When you're done, remember to power off the Global Trainer to prolong its battery life. For even greater analysis, you can upload stored workout data to your free Training Peaks account. Choose the PC Sync mode on your Global Trainer. Connect it to your computer and double-click the Timex icon on the desktop. You can view the exact route you've covered in map form, complete with elevation profiles, pace, and distance graphs. The Timex Ironman Global Trainer watch will become your most trusted training partner, helping you know how far and how fast you've gone. Train smarter with Timex Ironman.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong.